जन से भूषण है ना, ये है इस तरीके से करना जन से भूषण, right? But अभी we should not touch to this part. If we touch when we do fire covering or when we do something like this, very hot. This is. Now we want no. Kuchande. Let me start on the top of the head. So this is called as a.
Recording in progress.
Water can or speaker. So in this way, now you just understand. This is a small stand of the moksha, and then we have placed the small cone, not a roll, and then cone are different. Now these are the cones. Multiple cones we can place it. But however, if we wanted to place this on the top, we should always have some observation next to him, since that ashes should not fall down on the skull, number one. Number two is, when we wanted to use, we can make it on a small cardboard, right? That cardboard, you just cut it in this way and then place it, stick on that, and then you can place it. So that cardboard in the center that have the hole, because of this should go downwards direction. So in this way also you can do this multiple places, where I told you this is in the standing in a sitting position. If you wanted to use the gallbladder 20, that should be used on the back. That should be used on the back. That in the prone position. That is in the supine position, not possible. You understand? So in this way, so many points wherever there is a problem in the two-way stomach head related issues, you can use it here. Moxibustion, I told you, small intestine 18. So there also you can place here. This another point is called as a REN 17 for the asthma conditions. However, here also good, you can place it. Moxa is not harmful. But when we wanted to use, can you lie down now? So if we wanted to withdraw slowly, we can withdraw, so that you should not fall down the ashes. Right? If you use this whole moxa, if you use listen now, so you just note down on how many seconds is getting the warmness. This I am placing one finger, so that means 1 joule minimum above the skin surface. I am placing the moxibustion here. So that is strengthening to the suprasternal fossa. I am placing on that. But that heat is going to the trachea directly. When the trachea gets strengthened, that is strengthening to the whole pulmonary system. Right, in general, we keep activating this point for the upper respiratory tract infections. This always is good. When the lower respiratory tract infections, we can use the point called as a Shenzhen. That point is REN 17, which is located midway between the two nipples on the midline. Right? So now this is for the thyroid related issues and tonsillitis and hoarseness of the voice. When the voice is not good, even that condition also this bring back the voice. At the same time, especially the singers or professors or teachers who are teaching continuously as a faculty, they do have this problem. Even that condition also we can use as a moxibustion, especially on the antho point as well. Right?
So post tracheostomy patients closure will happen.
Yeah,
and then
even for that condition also we can use. See, now it is getting hot. So if patient says I have a hotness, then you just take away, again you just go back to apply the specific area itself. That you should not apply, you should show the moxa, roll to this specific region until that get a partially redness of the skin. But however, make sure that if you go, no, he is not getting within 1 minute, then we should closer to the skin surface. This do a mistake in generally by the acupuncturist. But this you should not be done. What I mean to say, it take around a minute, no issues. But if you go closer to that skin surface, again that it burns the hairs, number one problem. The second problem, that get area will be very, very sensitiveness. Today it will not happen anything, feel comfortable, and later period maybe next time or tomorrow. So certainly he will get with the, especially the carbuncles or some damages to the specific tissues. So make sure that fan should not on while doing this procedure, but however all the ventilation should open. That means all these procedures doing this time, so all the doors and all the windows should open always. Make sure the water should be placed. So can I get the 1 mug of water please? So always as a safety side, we keep the water next to the patient, always is good. See, now the quality of the moxa you can understand, but this is not the very great quality. But this is the normal quality of the moxa. If this is the good quality, that means the originality is there within that, because a lot of things has been, involved here, which doesn't have the medicinal properties much. If there is the good qualities there, and it's my clinical experiences, in 30 seconds the patient feels the heat. But it's getting as a, what are you getting now?
What about the smoke free, sir?
Hotness is there, but bearable pain is there. But until he get, yes, एक चुरकी लगना है अब मुझे बस. So in this level we need to take this. So make sure osseous is going to fallen. So if there is a fallen, then immediately put it in the tray. That osseous again you just bring back to. If until, can you manage now? It's excessiveness. That means you just take this and then see the osseous, right? And then again you bring back to the same position. Then patient is feel very sensitiveness. Then again I told you, just remove this. Again we'll go back to the the new point. So that point to be called as a shin zone. Always is good for the respiratory conditions, right? So now you just take this. Do you know there are the two nipples? Two nipples is located on the fourth intercostal space, and then you just move on to the center of the midline. So this is always is good for the asthmatic conditions. If the patient can do on their own, that really in fact is good. In at least 40 days they can give the stimulation to this particular region. Even the respiratory, the frequent of the attacks, that will be subsided. Right? Yes. So what is it? This and all is the complication. This is nothing but is the benign complication. Yes, in this way also we can do. So this is called as a, we are placing in one specific pot itself. Now I am taking the support with my pinky finger. Remember, this also key. If I wanted to do like this, sometimes I feel fatigue. मुझे सुस्त हो रहा है. कुछ लोग continue नहीं दे सकते. When you take the support of the some finger, that easily you can give the maximum amount of the time. So minimum period to be given 5 minutes minimum, maximum to be given 10 minutes, or sometimes it go on to the 15 minutes, or maximum it go to 20 minutes. But however, I recommend you, better you can do it between 5 to 10 minutes. You just wind up the moxibustion, right, for the each point. So now I wanted to move on to the some other point, so called as a Chung-1, that is the REN 12 point. So how to identify the REN 12 point? You understand where is the epigastric region. This is the epigastric region. From here, this is the navel. From here to here, totally as per the proportional measurement. Just make it, try to hold. You just understand from epigastric region, navel region. You place it 2 to rather 4 fingers exactly. Then which is the center? This is the center is 4 Chung. That means this is the REN 12 point. But if you can cast like this, but this is nearly 5 Chung. But don't think in that way. See, this is the marijuana smell causing the problem on my throat. So that indicates all the patients doesn't feel comfortable with the smoke moxa. So there I wanted to use a smokeless moxa. Now this is called as a smokeless moxa. So this is in fact is very friendly and portable and also easily accessible. So now you just place it on the REN 12 area and then hold it one at least inch above the skin surface minimum. So it goes to 1.52. That also always is good. You can place it like this until you feel. But how I'll go for the 1 inch above the skin surface until you feel the heat sensation. So this is more, better quality than the smoke moxa. Because of this is within 30 seconds he got the heat. So what it indicates, the quality is good. So in that way, when we wanted to use some other point, we can use it. Then we move on to the back point, that is REN 12 itself. Or else you can do one thing which we call as a sparrow moxa. When I wanted to use for the whole abdominal region, which including the cardiac region. Now I will go take in this upward direction. Then I move on to the downward direction. Again I go upward direction. Again you just come down. So all the gastric related issues or the abdominal related issues, even the patient themselves can do this procedure on their own. Wherever they feel the discomfort on the abdominal region, there you just ask them to give the pressure on the specific region. Even patient themselves, they can start doing. Even sometimes I advise to patient to do the moxibustion. Let they do this procedure at home itself. This is the para-professionals. Can be done, anybody, right? So it's not required a qualified person to do this procedure, but where to be done. So in this way, the whole area, you understand, the center is the part which we call as a umbilical, this is called as a fundus of the stomach, the center of the stomach to be taken care. The superior to that is the esophagus condition, below that is the duodenum conditions, below that there is a spleen conditions. The whole area to be treatable for the heart conditions. Where is the heart point is located? Where is the REN12? REN12 is the center, but from here to here, half is this. So this point is called as a chu-chu or chu-chu. That point is known as a REN14. REN14 is always good to treat for the cardiac function. When the heart is not pumping properly, when there is a hypofunction or the hyperfunction, even that condition also can be recommended to use this special point. Right? So this is for the cardiac system, this is for the lung system, and this is for the stomach system, this is for the spleen system. So that whole area is always good. Are you feeling? So when you do like this, you do get the hardness on your thumb region and fingers region. You should be very careful and make sure that again washes is there. So in this way, this is now fresh to use now. So I think 2 to 3 minutes we can use in this way. Again, we do the ashes we need to clean. So again, I told you there are the points for the pelvic region, especially treatable for the pelvic related, female related conditions. Even for the male impotency and male infertility conditions, or the nocturnal emission or enuresis, or the erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, all these conditions certainly you can use. Below the navel, see, points are located, but in order to understand properly, you are the practitioners, you can do it. But however, as the layman or the people, patients wanted to do on their own, they can do by using the below the navel, all the points are located. These points called as a dantian. Dantian is nothing but is the healing properties to be, or the whole energy is accumulated here especially. So due to that reason, when this energy gets stagnation, retention, blockage, stasis, then you understand that energy is not descending to the downward direction to the penile organ or the female genital organ. So that causes the problem. Are you finding pain or feeling the heat sensation? Hot sensation is there. So once you keep on to doing the same, this always is good for the fertilization, good for anything the female or male related conditions, right? Now we wanted to put it some salt inside this and then place it in the ginger, and then you just apply the moxibustion to the umbilicus as well. Umbilicus always is good for the prevention purpose also. Then you put it some salt, crystal salt only it is recommended, should not use the powder form, and then apply the ginger, that always is good, right?